toppings aren't the gift, it's what's in them! The Radio City Rockets!
Just finished watching the Rockettes at Radio City, and we're walking to Rockefeller right now. Cheers. Cheers. You got the Kyoto latte, and I got the matcha latte. That's good matcha. That's good matcha. First meal of the day. Yeah. Oh, wait, your mom. Hey, yo. What up, what up? We're in New York. Have a good one. Aww. There's RM. Must be on the other side. We got Tanghulu. This is our first, oh, that crunch when they just tapped. Our first meal now besides the coffee. Cheers.
Yo, what do you think? Should we get it here?
That was so good. What do you think? Yeah? 10 out of 10. We're currently potentially walking all the way back to New Jersey. It's an hour walk, but the Uber was too expensive down there in Times Square, so we're just vibing. She is freezing. I'm wearing a dress and surprisingly like not freezing that bad. Like anemic. This is not the coldest that I have been, so I'm feeling pretty good, but she's like dying over here. But the Uber was like 60 bucks and I was like, that was our meal. Yeah, I was like, no, that was more than our meal. Yeah. Literally more than our meal. So we're just walking, we're vibing, we're enjoying the streets of New York tonight. Yeah. We're sleepy, which is crazy because I think Nebraska is 2 hours behind. I think so, yeah. So it's technically like 5 p.m. there, but it feels like it's like 10 p.m. These are so beautiful. These lights. Oh, okay, cute. Okay, goodbye.
Where are you? This is the
We're at Bryant Park right now, looking for some hot chocolate and food. Got some goodies so far. Having a cutie time. The tree is so pretty. We got our hot chocolate and got some artwork, and I also got a pin from the Bryant Park shop, so it's super cute. Cheers. It's so hot, I can feel it through the glove.
That's rich. It's like
That's
chocolate.
so thick. That is so good. We heard this was the best one here at Bryant Park, so we had to get it. And I have to say, 5 billion out of 10. Like, it's so good, so rich.
It's only $8.
And yeah, $8 for like, what, a 12 ounce? Yeah, a little under maybe 10? Maybe. Yeah, well worth it. Cheers. Oh my god. It looks like... so small sizes. We have Saks Fifth Avenue, the Catholic Church. You're good. Filming this time? Yes.
Oh, here we go. Here's like the stones and stuff. Yeah. Real stretch. Our first New York style pizza that is so cheesy and falling apart. Cheers. That was so nasty. I ate it out.
Yeah, we're just gonna take from the plate. That's good. Yeah. That's me though. We finished basically what, like 24 hours, a little over in New York. Yeah. It's currently 9 p.m. It took us 2 hours to get back. We left the restaurant, Patsy's Pizzeria, at like 6, yeah, like under 7, so like 6:50. And it took us a whole 2 hours to get back to this Airbnb in New Jersey, which, by the way, super good deal for the money. I think we paid like $100 for like 2 nights, and like we had a whole private room, and like it's kind of like a hostel, so like you share whatchamacallit, a bathroom and like kitchenette and stuff. So I still think it's a really good deal. It's really super clean also, which is super nice. But we did so much today. We walked so much. I can't wait to see what our steps are. If I remember to, I will stick it like right here. I'll screenshot it and send a picture, because we started like, I don't even remember, where did we get dropped off? Probably like 10 minutes away from like Bryant Park, I would say.
Something like that, yeah.
Or like a mile away or something like that. And then we walked all the way to Bryant Park, then walked all the way to Central Park, and walked around Central Park for like an hour or two. We were gonna go to the Met, but the Met closed like 30 minutes before we got there, so we didn't get to go. Sad. And then we walked to the pizzeria place, and then took the subway and the bus system back here. Oh, we saw a rat. We did see a rat. This is a very big rat.
It's awesome.
It was so crazy. And then I fed a squirrel in Central Park, so that was super cool. What else did we do? I don't even remember.
I think that was mostly it, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think that was like some of my highlights. I don't know. New York is kind of just a highlight in itself.
The big Louis Vuitton thing.
Oh yeah, the new like Louis Vuitton like luggages that they built.
Pretty cool.
That was really cool. We just happened to like walk by it, which was super cool. We weren't like planning to go there, even though I had seen it on TikTok. But we had like just happened to go by it because it was on the way to Central Park. Oh, we also went to Jellycat and got ourselves a few Jellycats. I'll probably show you those on the cruise. And then I got a couple like pins, and she got a pin and a Starbucks mug. She got a New York Starbucks mug. Yeah, we went to Rockefeller Center. That was also, yeah, we saw the tree and everything. We were gonna watch the tree lighting last night, but I didn't know that you have to buy tickets to watch the tree lighting, apparently.
Oh,
yeah.
You got that coffee from Ralph?
Oh yeah, the Ralph's coffee, which, by the way, like, super good. I got the gingerbread latte, and it was so good. I wasn't expecting it to be that good, and I was shook. No chewing allowed. That hot chocolate, also bomb. If one thing that New York knows how to do, coffee and hot chocolates, because those were so good. And the pizza we had was freaking delicious at Patsy's. Like, so good and pretty like affordable for the price, I want to say. Like, we split a pizza and it was like a $20 pizza, which we were both full. So,
yeah, and the pasta.
And we also split a pasta, which was also a pretty big serving. So I think it was well worth our money. But yeah, I guess that's our full 24-ish hours in New York. We have to be up not early for the first time to get to the cruise, but we leave for the Virgin Islands